Hello everyone. My name is Damilola Oni. I'm an actor and a filmmaker, and I am on the set of IGODAN.
My name is Taiwo Ibikunle. I am on the set of IGODAN.
Hello, Adediwura Franklin here.
Hi, my name is Ogundiwin, Ogundiwin, but everybody calls me Ogundiwin.
Hello people, my name is Lanre Adediwura. I'm a role interpreter and actor, and I'm on the set of IGODAN playing the role of Odejai.
Yeah, I played the role of King Badejo in this movie. King Badejo is a kind of depressed king trying to find a way to make up with his wife, and the subject.
Playing the character Olori Ayoni is a very beautiful character. She's so full of life. She loves love. She loves creativity. She loves play. She wants to live under her feet.
I am playing the character Ola.
Efra is like the village mother. She's wanting to move, and she makes sure she's present everywhere. Yes. The character is like
Oh my god, you're so interesting. I spoke to Yoruba school. I've never done that before in my life. And so I had a bit of fun between the proverbs and whatnot. So now that I'm saying it, I don't think I have anything.
And guys, you need to watch out for this particular masterpiece. The old school feel, and I'm so enjoying it. I love the director Gabriel in a few ways, and I'm so loving the treatment on this set, from costume to makeup to set to cinematography to light. Everything has just been on point, and I'm enjoying the character because these guys are really boosting my morale on set. I can't wait for you guys to see IGODAN.
You're going to enjoy watching it. And then from the cast to the crew, everything that's in this job are working relentlessly to bring you something spectacular. You're going to enjoy this film. The cast are bringing their A games, the crew members, I love the costume department in particular, and the story and everything is so beautiful.
This movie is highly fantastic. The location, the costumier, the makeup artist, everybody, the production manager, every one of them were up to par.
I have a platform. You know, it felt so surreal. Everyone was talented, everyone was down to earth, and all of that. We all vibed. It was truly a good time for me.
Kábíyèsí ò sì fura. Ẹ fura. Ẹ fura. Ọ̀rọ̀ ò gbọ́dọ̀ lù o. Ọ̀rọ̀ yóò padà lù. But I had fun, and the fact that it's a very fantastic book I've never played before in my entire career makes it very interesting. I know it's a very, very, very interesting story. So watch out, watch it when it's out, and enjoy yourself.
Ikodo has an intriguing storyline. It is a movie you would want to keep watching, and I would love you guys to watch the movie the moment it is out. It's going to be out on YouTube. Please watch the movie.
Watch out for it when it's out, and avail yourself the opportunity to see the masterpiece of all seasons.
Please, my lovely fans, I beg of you, please go and watch it. Go and watch it. It is fantastic. It is highly didactic. The kind of film that teaches moral.
Anticipate IGODAN because it is coming to you very soon. You're going to enjoy watching it, and you're going to enjoy Olori Ayoni. It's a promise. Love you guys. Mwah.